time we act. Poor Juliet must be... terrified?
Here, take that.
That Juliet is one great girl.
Well, I can throw apples too.
I think somebody is jealous. I'll show you. I suggest you tell us what's going on. It's because of the junction there. Prince John says it's vital to defend the kingdom, so we're practicing with the catapults in case we get invaded. They're gonna destroy everything. We have to stop them.
I'm gonna give Prince John a piece of my mind.
Our horse! Our horse! Wait, Juliet! Get that horse back!
That girl's not too bright. She's gonna end up in prison.
We have to catch up with her. I don't understand. No more signals.